Hey guys, so this is the I'm going to put this somewhere around the screen. On this day, we were super duper excited. Look at me now. I was just smiling and like you guys, we got information that the officials that will be inspecting the place, like those in charge of inspection, will be coming like 2 days from this day. So we just decided to put things in place. You can see everywhere is just messy, like we have not cleaned up since after the installation of the machines and other plumbing things. So we just decided to like clean the whole place to look all nice and shiny. You guys, I was so happy on this day. I was just dancing. Obi was just dancing. We were just super excited, you guys. If not for copyright, you would have listened to the whole music and enjoyed it, like get a full and vibing view. Okay, so just enjoy the rest of the video. Hey, gay.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
So guys, we're almost done. We are like 80% done. As you can see, everywhere is looking so bright and shining and looking so nice. Something happened, you guys. We saw a snake. Like, I refused, because it was a lady that said, come and carry your son. Oh, because this was just walking in the compound. They said, come and carry your son. I saw a snake entered your compound. I was like, if you not kill that snake, I'm not going to come out of this place. Like, I'm not going to enter inside this house back. So at the end of the day, they killed the snake. You guys, look at the snake now. And Jason was walking. Like, thank God that nothing happened. We just thank God.